I just walked through the courtyard of the Natural Sciences building. Look at these trees. And I'm going to walk up the street. Look at these trees everywhere. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is what people walk out to when they go to the parking lot. Look at that tree. Not sure what that is. Kind of looks like a gum tree. Except the bark is wrong. I don't know what any of these trees are, but they're all gorgeous, and they all have different bark and different branch types. So, just walking down the street. It's October 8th. It's after 1 o'clock, Sunday, 2023. That's a chicken. The coqui, which is the little frog, is a symbol of Puerto Rico, but so is the chicken. And they're everywhere. And they fight with them and they gamble with them, which is a pity, but I guess everyone has to earn their keep. This is interesting because this fluffy stuff, I wonder what this is. Yeah. Still plenty of palm trees. Palm trees don't give shade, but they give fruit, and they also soak up water, which is very, very helpful when you're in the tropics. And it rains a lot, although it hasn't been raining a lot here recently. Which is why it's surprising that the grass is so green. But I see that they're watering the grass, which is pretty shocking when Puerto Rico has a clean water crisis. Look at these. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous palm tree. It's like a Miss Puerto Rico of palm trees. There's a flamboyant. Flamboyant trees are interesting because they spread out like umbrellas. They give a huge amount of shade. And they have red flowers from June to October. This is a nice, dense, cool shade tree here. It could be a seabed tree underneath all the vines. I'm not sure. So you can see that there's a lot of rather gorgeous buildings. Natural Sciences, those are my folks. And this is a different type of palm tree. Decanato de Ciencias Natural. Oh, that's where the Dean's hangs out. And this tree, it's like, how can any tree grow so many leaves? And have a little palm tree underneath. It's hiding. There's a palm tree and there's another type of tree with thick leaves. Wow. I wish I understood trees. I really don't. But I bet this one soaks up water like nobody's business. And because all of Puerto Rico is an art museum, of course, there's a gorgeous mural here. Look at this. School of Architecture. Okay, good. They're not disappointing. I bet some amazing stuff comes out of the architecture school here. How could it not? When everything is art. Wow. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a school of architecture. Not in the Spanish style, but maybe it is. Maybe this is modern Spanish design. It certainly doesn't look like anything I've seen in Philadelphia. Now that looks like mid-20th century horrendous. So they didn't have one of their star athletes design that. And right here, Spanish architecture. Looks like a castle. Absolutely gorgeous. I love Spanish architecture with their sweeping arches. I mean, it's pretty fancy, but at the same time, it's not overdone. Those arches just have little notches in them, like braided hair. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. And the cloisters upstairs, I think that's what, I don't know what they're called in Spanish. I don't even know if they're called that in English. But that's that open balcony to let through the air. Now, one very interesting thing about all these buildings is they have open courtyards so that everyone has light inside the building. And then they have access to a courtyard, which is very Roman. That's, I learned that in Latin. You go into the house and then an open courtyard, so everyone has an outside window and natural light and access to what's happening in the courtyard. Okay, well, that'll do for now. My gosh, it's so beautiful. Susanna J. Dodgson, October 8th, 2023. Central Archive, I bet. Yes.